I think my grandfather's farm really gave me an appreciation just for the amount of work that goes into generating the food we eat and and the value of it. It takes all your attention, it takes a lot of time, and it takes knowing what you're doing. So my name is Phil Stewart. I am global breeding director for strawberries for North America. The strawberry was Driscoll's first berry. I don't think the company would exist without strawberries. So the banner berry, which was originally the sweetbriar berry, was kind of I think it's the beginning of Driscoll's as a differentiated strawberry company. Originally it was called Sweetbriar after the ranch that it was founded on. Over time it became known as Banner because they put a blue ribbon on the crates to distinguish them from other varieties. If you can create something that people can look for, that gives them a reason to seek out yours and not just whichever strawberries happen to be convenient. When you think of the image and appearance of a strawberry, Driscoll's has always had really high standards in terms of appearance. We sort of focused on this idiotype of a sort of heart-shaped, glossy, very uniform strawberry with a nice green calyx. But the number one thing we're looking for really is flavor. It's got to be something people are going to be happy to eat. And that's been a top priority at Driscoll's really from the very start, and we continue to try to move the bar on that. I think for me, the most exciting moment every year is that first walk through the seedling field once the season has started. I think it's just really exciting to kind of see, there's a real sense of possibility. In the breeding program, we're generating in North America about 100,000 seedlings each year. Each of those is really a distinct variety. They're all genetically different. They all have slightly different combinations of traits. So a lot of what my job and my team's job is just finding ways to sort through that many varieties every year and find the good ones. Of that 100,000 seedlings that we evaluate, only 1% are even going to go to the next stage. So each year we're going to evaluate a little more closely, but we're also going to drop off selections each year that haven't met the standards. If our efforts are successful, when you bite into a Driscoll strawberry, you're getting something that you can't get anywhere else. You're getting the products of all this work to try to put these pieces together to get something that is juicy and sweet and aromatic, and hopefully, lives up to all your expectations of a strawberry.